Evening, everybody. 2015-2016 Arctic Cat XF 9000 with the Arctic Cat turboed engine. My exhaust was making a little bit of a noise. It has an aftermarket, I believe it's called Sandal. I might pronounce that wrong. Exhaust. Quite a big pipe, 3-inch I believe, with the muffler. As you can see, in behind this flex, very bad leak. It's all open, as you can see. Down in there. All I'm going to do to fix this, instead of ordering this front header pipe, which is probably $250 to $500 through these guys, and then you have to take it off the turbo, is I went to my local Napa and I bought a flex joint repair kit, 3-inch. All I'm going to do, as you can tell, I've already cut that apart. I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to shave some off each side of this, and I'm going to put that right in, and I'm going to weld that right into that piece of pipe. This was $30, $40 at the local Napa here in town. Quite affordable fix, I do believe. I'll get you the part number off the bag. It's made by Atlas. 3-inch. Anyway, I'm going to give this a try. Hopefully this might give you guys some other ideas on a cheaper fix. Hope this works for you. Have a good night.